Welcome to Masteriyo Tutorials. In this video, we will learn about our premium add-on course attachments. This feature allows you to add materials for your courses that visitors need to download. First thing first, install any premium plan of Masteriyo plugin. Then, go to Add-ons. Search for Course Attachments add-on. Then, enable it. Enable the Course Attachments add-on. Then, navigate to Masteriyo, Courses. Select the course where you want to add an attachment. Scroll down a bit and you will find attachments on the bottom right. Then, select the file that you want to share. You can preview or you can delete the attachments from here as well. Then, click on the update, which is on the top right of the screen. Or you can also save it to draft for future use. Now, you can see that on your course page, there is an attachment section which has the following files that you have provided. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any queries regarding any of the steps, then you can contact our support team. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.